Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, today as you can see, I do have an unbagging. This time it means I have a review, so let's find out what is in the bag. Alright, we have a Joy Sunday kit. Awesome. Get rid of the bag there. Now, this pattern comes from PaintSomeWay. And if they have any specials, or if I have any discount codes, or they have any, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So do check that out. So let's find out what is in the huge Joy Sunday bag. Get it out of here. Ugh. Oh my goodness gracious. I had no idea this was this big. You know, in your brain, some things don't compute until they really compute. Alright. This has kind of an odd smell to it. Kind of chemical-y, if you will. But is that not gorgeous? It's called Watercolor Peony. It is 71 by 51, and it was $19.99. So it is a fair size. I think you do, yeah, it's full coverage. So all of it's covered. It gives the impression of being a partial right here. Like, pull my light up. Jeez, it's like practically on the top of the desk. It looks kind of like it's a partial, but it's actually full coverage. So I guess we're going to have some half cross stitches. But yeah, I just thought they were gorgeous. And it's really kind of a soft look. Yeah, we have a great big paper pattern here. We'll get here to the colors. Now it does have 15 pages in this paper pattern. And let's see. Let me see if we... Nope, we have 2 sets of numbers. It is... Sorry about that. I was going to cough, so I had to shut it down. It has 72 total colors. It is only full cross stitch. So, very nice. But these symbols here go to the paper pattern, and the symbols on the other side goes to the canvas. And this is, where did I just see that? 350 by 238 stitches. So let's take a look and see what colors we have. We have 154 mulberry. I'm not seeing any 310 black. Not seeing too many colors I know of. We have 823 and 939, which are both like a dark navy. And we have that 3799, which is that pewter color. And it says a crew for the white. Now I see some lighter shades. Each color that there is supposed to be representing the actual color. So this B is like a medium blue, or this C is a pale pink. But back here, you know, you don't have that. So we'll see. Look how big that is. Holy cow. My goodness gracious. There's a lot of shading in everything. But yay, no back stitching, no half, no French knots, nothing. So that is awesome. Beautiful, gorgeous pattern. So let's take a look at those colors. Holy cow. That is a lot of thread for a 14 count. I'm serious. Now, we do have 2 needles. We have 3 thread cards. Let me pull this apart just so we can see all the colors. And then we're going to fold that down just a bit. Should have kept my scissors. But that's a lot of thread for 14 count. So, yeah, wow. Purples, pinks. There's that lovely blue. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So see, this is more of what I would say a crew, and this is more of an off-white. So, beautiful colors. Just lots of pinks, greens, kind of muted greens there. We have like a dark, like a grayish green here. Brick reds, kind of a salmon color. Just, gorgeous. Gorgeous colors. Look at that purple. No, I don't believe that's 550 purple. I didn't see any 550 purple. This is your mulberry 154. Purple, purple, green, blue, pinks. Yep. Just stunning, stunning colors. Gorgeous. 72 colors, guys. Wow. They're really getting up there with their number of threads that they're using for kits these days. Let's take a look at this canvas. Now, it is a lighter looking canvas. Oh crap, I gotta get back. So it's quite big, but it's very lightly printed, but you can, you know, when you get on top of it, you can see for sure all the symbols. It's just one that's kind of pale, and all the numbers go down this side, across the bottom. So very nice, but nice big key. You can see excuse me, the thread card number and the DMC number, and the symbol is nice and big and very well printed. Did I say it was serged? It is. It's serged all the way around. Let's take a look and see what it is. 71 centimeters, or almost 28 inches across, by approximately, if I can get it there, almost 51.5 centimeters, or 20.25 inches. The actual picture size is 17 inches, or 43 centimeters, by almost 63.5 centimeters, or 25 inches. So, nice, big, huge. I mean, the peonies themselves are flat. It says peonies. We're going to take it at that, but it kind of remind me of those antique roses. This bloom over here is 5.5 inches across by almost 4.75 inches. So nice and big. All you can see all the shading that's going to go on, because it kind of runs in rivers. It's just gorgeous. Just can hardly wait. All right. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. I'm going to fold this up, and then I'll hold it right here as still as I can, so you can see all the different colors. They kind of run in rivers. Of course, you're going to have, you know, a few sprinkled in like confetti, but yeah, I think it'll be stunning when it's done. Just absolutely stunning. Thank you, PaintSomeWay, for this absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous kit. Now, they do have cross-stitch diamond painting, paint by number, and they also do custom. I'm not sure which of those mediums they do custom, or if they do it in all of them. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They have beaded, they have silk, cross stitch. They always have a large selection and great prices. And the stores right now are having their New Year's specials. So do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.